What's up guys, it's your girl Njerie Gitau here. For those who are new to the channel, welcome, karibuni. Feel free to take a seat and hit that subscribe button so that you can become a part of the family. For those who are back for the second, third, or even umpteenth time, then welcome back to my channel. Now today you can see that I have some purple hair over here, and these are usually called Bandika lines in Kenya. How they usually make them is they do the braid or cornrow separately, and then they sew them onto your underlying braid or cornrow. Does that make sense? Anyway, for me particularly, my hair doesn't do well with that because I feel like it's a bit tight. So what I usually do is use a crochet method and then DIY it because we can. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieved this. I used a different technique from what I had used in this particular video that I'm going to link over here. And if you're interested to see how we got here and how we got some color in our hair, then let's just get straight into the video.